Hello guys, today I'm going to share how to create a PayPal Sandbox account and how to retrieve the API credential, client ID, and the secret. Finally, I'm going to show how to create a access token via the REST API. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we log in the PayPal Developer Center with my account. In the home page, just scroll down here. You will see the sandbox account icon. So just click it. You will see the account list and just click the create account button. So normally I recommend you to create a customized account. Just click here. Let's choose the business type merchant. You can you can choose the country origin. So in this demo, I just leave the default United State. So let's type email address, maybe seller at payment.io. So actually, PayPal will not send the notification to your email, even you leave a real email address. So you just keep the email address format. Even this email is not exist. That's okay. Let's input the password. First name, maybe Phaser coder. Balance 10,000. Verify the bank account. Yes. PayPal payment card. Okay, let's create account. So you will see we already created a new Sandbox business account. So you can click here to view or edit your account. You can change the password. So you can create a app. You can look for the MVP credential, which is a legacy API provided by PayPal. So Sandbox account information here. Okay. Let's create a new app. Leave a name, demo, tab, merchant. So I would like to highlight here if you want to test the PayPal partner marketplace, just choose platform. So for normal merchant testing, we just choose the merchant tab. Okay, create one. Okay, you can see we create a new demo app. So here is the client ID. You can just copy it and segregate. Okay, let's get into the app to look around. Actually, for one app, we can create a multiple secret key. So, and You will see the sandbox endpoint here, email, and the features you would like to enable. For example, if you would like to test a subscription, just keep the subscription option checked. And if you would like to test the transaction search, just click here and save change. Please note the transaction search effective maybe it take some hours. Okay, let's create a access token through our new client ID and secret. Just copy it. Okay, open my REST API tool. So this is the create access token endpoint. Base URL is sandbox URL. Okay. First of all, let's change the client ID. Okay. And copy a secret. Okay. Good. So you can see we already updated the new client ID and the secret. Just click the send button. Okay. You will see the token. Okay. Access token is here. So you can use this token to create a PayPal order. And this token has a expired date time. So it's 9 hours. And you will see the scope for this client ID in here. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.